Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to create a Duolingo account. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now, to create the Duolingo account, first tap open Duolingo app on your phone. To create an account, so tap on choose a language option. Here, select the language you want to learn, either Spanish, French, German, Italian, etc. Tap on one of the languages and press continue. Choose the option for where you heard about Duolingo and tap continue. Now select the option for how much you know Spanish, a few words or simple conversations or intermediate or higher level. Select one of the options and tap on continue. Select an option for why you are learning Spanish, so it is easier for Duolingo to design a course. Now tap on continue. This is a simple course overview. Read it and tap on continue. Now select your goal, either casual, regular, serious, intense, based on how much time you can give. Select an option and tap continue. Now select either you are learning Spanish for the first time or you already know some Spanish and tap on continue. First, you need to complete a simple set of tasks to create an account on Duolingo. Select the option as directed and tap on check. Select the option, tap on check and tap continue. You have now successfully completed the tasks. Now tap on continue. You have earned gems and tap on continue. You have maintained a day of streak. Now tap on continue. Now select an option for I can do it. Now select an option for equip for free to equip your gift. Now tap on the option for create profile to create an account on Duolingo. Now type your age. Before tapping continue, you can either log into your account using your Facebook or Google. Now tap on continue. Now type your name and tap on continue. Type your email address and again tap on continue. You need to create your password and tap on create profile. Now you have successfully created your profile. Tap on return home and enjoy Duolingo.